Good morning. Importance of fertilization. निषेचन का महत्व. इससे पहले निषेचन की प्रक्रिया के बारे में अबाउट द प्रोसेस ऑफ फर्टिलाइजेशन हमने बात की, स्टडी की. आज टुडे वी डिस्कस अबाउट द इम्पोर्टेंस, significance of fertilization. It provides stimulus for the egg to complete its maturation. It activates the ovum to develop into a new individual by repeated mitotic divisions. Fertilization restores the diploid number of chromosomes. As for example, we all know in human there are 46 chromosomes in each somatic cell. Diploid number is 46 and haploid number is 23, and out of 23, 22 are autosomes while the one is allosome, maybe X, maybe Y. So out of these 46 chromosomes, 44 are autosomes, while the one set of chromosomes is known as allosomes or sex chromosomes, and these two chromosomes of this set may be X both, may be XY. So fertilization restores the diploid number of chromosomes in the zygote. Zygote is diploid and it further undergoes the repeated mitotic divisions, cleavage to form the embryo. So one of the most important function of fertilization is to restore the diploid number of chromosomes in the zygote, and this happens by adding male's haploid set of chromosomes. Fertilization makes the egg more active metabolically, and before fertilization the egg remains less active metabolically. It combines the characters of two parents and introduces variations. And we all know that variations are the key of evolution. And sexual reproduction generates variations. So this is also very important to note that it combines the characters of two parents. And during the process of gametogenesis, meiosis occurs, and in meiosis, in prophase, there is a subphase known as Pachytene, and in which there occurs a special phenomena of genetic recombination, exchange of genes in between. Yeah, you learn this process in cytology, division, cell division, mitosis, meiosis. So in Pachytene, crossing over takes place, and by this crossing over, there is a recombination of genetic material between the two homologous chromosomes. So this variation and after fertilization, the characters of two parents combines, which introduces variations, and these variations are the base for the evolution. Sex chromosomes of sperm is either X or Y and helps in sex determination. After fertilization membrane is produced, and this fertilization membrane formed after sperm entry checks the entry of additional sperms, and this checks polyspermy. The most important result of fertilization is egg activation, which allows the egg to undergo cell division. The process of fertilization helps to restore the total number of chromosomes in the organism. The zygote develops to form a new individual, which is necessary for the continuation of the species. It creates genetic variation and helps in maintain biodiversity. So students, these are the importance of fertilization. So read them carefully. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe and share the video with your friends and family. Thanks a lot.